morning to all. Actually, in my previous video session, I already discussed about the development of CNC, PLC, DNC, as well as how we have incorporated the control system for CNC and all. I already explained. Based on my class, in our mechanical physics students, today they can elaborately explain the case study related to how they can incorporate the hydraulic system in our CNC. Because there are a number of control systems are there, but our students mainly focus on the hydraulic system, heavy load control system, how they are incorporated with our mechanical tooling as well as the CNC and they can explain today case study. Okay.
I am Sandesh from CADA and Mechanical Engineering. We are going to take how we are going to incorporate the CNC machine into a hydraulic controlling system. CNC machine basically helps us automatic and semi-automatic in a forward and backward direction of hydraulic control system. Team members are Alu and Saranraj and Sharon is going to explain the parts of the hydraulic system, and Saranraj is going to explain the working principles and working. Sharon is going to explain how we are incorporating both. Let's see.
From mechanical department. We can see the components is used in hydraulic control system. First is tank, reservoir, filter, pump, and 4x2 DC direction control valve, and double cylinder, and pressure relief valve.
As Arun has explained, I can elaborate the components which is used in hydraulic system. First, we use tank to store the oil or water. Then we use a filter to remove the unwanted particles from the oil or water. We use a pump to suck the water or oil from the tank to deliver to the DCB. Here we use a 4x2 DCB. It is basically a direction control valve. Here 4 refers to the number of ports. As we can see here, there are 2 arrow marks. Here there are 4 ports here. One is here 2, 3, and 4. That's represent this port, and divided by 2 means it has 2 positions. One is unidirectional, and another one is this cross section direction. Then we use a double acting cylinder to move the piston, and we use a pressure relief valve to eliminate the excess pressure from the system. Let's see the working of this. First, the oil is sucked by the pump. In between, we use filters to remove the unwanted particles. It is delivered to DCB. Then the DCB delivers the oil to the outlet. Then the piston moves backward direction. The excess oil will deliver to the tank again. The next working is the oil is directed to the inlet valve. Then the piston moves in a forward direction. Then the excess oil is removed. That's the working.
He says very correct. Actually, we are having 2 questions. One is for the extraction question, another one is for retraction question. Extraction question means for like this question will be the oil will be directly sent into the outlet port. It says the piston moves through the reverse direction. That is called retraction stroke. Same, we can using this kind of push button, we can push the from on to off. Automatically, we can switch over the question to the second question, so that we can directly send into the inlet port of the cylinder. So automatically, piston moves through the forward direction. That is called extraction stroke. Okay. The case study how we are applied directly to the society or on the CNC system will be explained by Karan.
Hello everyone, I am Saran from Mechanical Engineering. Now we can see how hydraulic control system is implemented in CNC. Our team basic idea is why we choose hydraulic system is it is incompressible, used for lifting or moving heavy components or heavy parts. As an example, we can fix this hydraulic system in one piece as a one piece holder. Let me see an example. Here we use 4 hydraulic control as it represents to hold the workpiece. Here it is the workpiece.
So he says very right. We can use the 4 hydraulic cylinder. So automatically the 4 hydraulic cylinder will be extracted means so automatically the clamping will be taken care. At the same time, 4 position cylinder will be retracted means so the unclamping or declamping will be taken care. Same way we can use the tool holding device also. As well as we have to move the tool from the upward to downward direction. For example, we can use that drilling application means we can fix the workpiece from the table as well as we can hold the tool. So automatically we can use the double action cylinder for the actuation of tool from upward to downward direction. We can move the cylinder from the downward direction means automatically the drilling will be taken care. At the same time, after making the drilling process, the little bit moves to the upward direction, that is called the retraction screw. So this way these people can extend the case study which is suitable for hydraulic control system which is incorporated with our CNC. In our next class, these guys they can discuss the another case study which is how we are incorporated with the pneumatic system with the food processing industries as well as the cascade method. So different types of case studies are there that can be elaborated in the next case study with the other students. Okay, thank you.